Hi there, I'm Sunju. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY Madewell cardigan sweater from scratch. We're going to make a cute pocket on both sides and bubbly bottom hem with the drawstring. By tying a simple bow, you can easily adjust the gathering based on your outfit. Madewell is one of my all-time favorite brands because they're fashionable and durable. But instead of investing in a new cardigan, today we're going to make a cardigan that is store-bought, Madewell quality with less than $20. You don't need to know how to knit for this tutorial because we are going to make a cut and sew cardigan. As always, if you enjoy my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started! For this tutorial, all you need is a front right side and a front left piece, 2 sleeves, a back piece, 2 pieces of 5 inches by 5 inches pockets. Fold the sleeve in half and sew the hem with the zigzag stitch. For any knit hem finishes, you can either use a zigzag stitch or a fall overlock stitch. Then, make the cuff by folding the 6 inches by 7 inches in half and sewing the edge with the zigzag stitch. Slide in the folded cuff to the sleeve and match the underarm seam with the cuff seam. Secure with pins before sewing a zigzag stitch. Next, lay the wrong side of the front and the back pieces on top of each other. Pin both side seams together and finish with the zigzag stitch. Match the underarm seam with the side seam to attach the sleeve to the bodice. Pin around the armhole and finish with the zigzag stitch. To make the neckband, fold the 2.5 inch width strap in half and begin pinning on the center back seam of the neckline and go all the way to the front opening. Hem the finish with the zigzag stitch. Now, we're going to make a drawstring for the bubble hem. Cut a 1.5 inch width bias strap about 40 inches long. Fold the strap in half and zigzag stitch to close. Flip the strap inside out with the loop turner to make your drawstring. Fold the hem of the cardigan about 1 inch and edge the top stitch along the hemline. Finally, fold and iron the pocket pieces about 1/2 inch on each side. Along the opening of the pocket, top stitch to secure the fold. Lay the pocket square on the front of the cardigan and edge top stitch along both sides and the bottom. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please share your cute DIY Madewell cardigan sweater with me at Instagram #MadeWithFashionWonder, and I would love to hear your experience following this tutorial. If you get stuck or have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to respond. See you next time. Bye!